Waking up to sunshine's cold.
Hey guys, unboxing time. I just got back from appointment, so this is a chest drawer for baby. I received this package from Amazon yesterday, although it was not Amazon that delivered it. I bought it from Amazon, but another courier service delivered it to me yesterday. So I just want to quickly unbox it before the kids come back from school.
Family meals under soft light, cooking magic, cherished feast. In our kingdom, joy released. Royal living, royal bright. Days are diamonds in the light. Motherhood with so much love. Blessings rain from up above. Grateful hearts and endless cheer. Memories we hold so dear. From the kitchen to the play, every step a golden day.
So these are the screws.
Fashion tips and little hacks. Journey moving never lacks. Thoughts of joy and laughter shared.
A lot of screws. I don't know if I will be able to fix this, but I will try. If I'm not able to fix it, I will just leave it.
These are diamonds in the light. Motherhood with so much love. Blessings rain from up above. Living royal bright. Days are diamonds in the light. Motherhood with so much love.
So guys, I have unboxed it. Now it's time for me to fix it. It's time for me to fix it. So this is how the drawer looks like. This is how it looks like. It's a chest drawer. I don't know if I'll be able to fix it. Really, I don't know. But if I can't, I'll call for help. Because like all these things, Obi does not even know how to do it. I'm the one that is doing all this, most of these things. I'm the one that fixes it by myself. Anytime we buy all this, something facing like this, he does not know how to do it. But if he's not, if I can't do it, I will ask for the help of a family friend. I will call him to come and help me out. I don't even know where to start from. So let's see.
Kids are laughing, rooms are bright. Family meals under soft light. Cooking magic, cherished feast. In our kingdom, joy released. Royal living, royal bright. Days are diamonds in the light. Motherhood with so much love. Blessings rain from above. Grateful hearts and endless cheer. Memories we hold so dear. From the kitchen to the play, every step a golden day. Fashion tips and little hacks. Journey moving never lacks.
So these are the
Thoughts of joy and laughter shared. Moments captured.
these are the things that I'm going to put together. I don't just know where to start from. And these are the other ones. I don't know how to go about this, but let's see how it goes.
Living royal bright. so much love. Blessings rain from up above.
I'm exhausted. I'm so tired.
Grateful
It's not really easy to
hearts
put
and
together.
endless cheer. Memories we hold so dear. From the kitchen to the plate. Every step a golden day. Waking up to sunshine's gold. Stories of life yet to be told. Morning coffee gives me wings. In this house, love always sings. Kids are laughing, rooms are bright. Family meals under soft light. Cooking magic, cherished feast. In our kingdom, joy release. Royal living, royal bright. Days are diamonds in the light. Motherhood with so much love. Blessings rain from up above. Grateful hearts and endless cheer. Memories we hold so dear. From the kitchen to the plate. Every step a golden day. Fashion tips and little hacks. Journey moving, never lax. Vlogs of joy and laughter shared. Moments captured, moments spared. Royal living, royal bright. Days are diamonds in the light. Motherhood with so much love. Blessings rain from up above.
So guys, this is what we have. I finally put together this drawer. I see Shege putting this together. The person that was supposed to help me, the person was so busy, so I had to put it together myself. But it was not really easy, but thank God I was able to do it. So this is the final look of the drawer. So the top part is where you can that's a changing table for the baby.